Well, we're just leaving Turtle Bay Anchorage here. Beautiful resort, very friendly, welcoming to yachties. And now we're heading up to get out. We're not going through the northern passage, it's just too difficult. There's too many bombies. I don't normally take a risk, but not this one. So we're heading back out through the southern, but we've had to get up at 6 in the morning to get the tide right to get out, so it's a bit of a challenge. We've got the gen set running in the background, humming away. We're making water as well, which is probably humming and probably getting picked up by the microphones. We're about 3/4 of the way up here to Lonnoc Bay or Champagne Beach. We've had the fishing rod out. We've had a hit a while ago and hooked up, but we dropped it on the way in, so I didn't get to see what it was. Had another hit as well, so it's a few fish around here. It's probably the best fishing we've had. So yeah, we're almost in at Lonnoc, and short day. 6:30 to about 9:30 and a little 3-hour sail, beautiful. We're rounding through the eastern entrance into Champagne Bay or Lonnoc Bay, Champagne Beach. And yeah, we've finally got the wind behind us now and the swell right behind us, and it's beautiful coming through here. And the white beach down the end there is Champagne Bay. Looking at it from the seaward side.
Just gone past Champagne Bay and we're looking at a mooring in, is this Lonnoc Bay? Lonnoc Bay. Lonnoc.
I'm not sure where to go. We can either anchor in here and it's deeper, or we can get over this bit and anchor in here. I reckon we head over that way.
Is there much space? How wide is this?
Yeah, pretty big.
How wide is that gap?
Oh, 100 metres, I think I mentioned it.
Okay.
It's shallow, maybe a few metres. We're at 23 metres here.
Beautiful blue water. Problem with these places, we never know who the chief is, who we're supposed to pay to be able to anchor in here.
AFL. The AFL's on.
I know you got Starlink, AFL,
And
Pete is
Come on,
on.
Brisbane.
Pete's on his edge of his seat.
Dropped it.
Oh, the man.
He dropped the ball.
Is he soft, Pete?
Soft. Crikey.
When's the NRL on?
Go
Oh,
long.
we're not watching that crap.
Yeah. No.
Alright. Oh, it's gotta be. Look how tall he is.
Yeah, he's a dickhead. Yeah.
That was just going past Lathu Island. So up ahead we got Thion or Dolphin Island, and ducked in behind that is Port Olry, where it should be lovely and protected. And just in here on our port side there's a blue hole, but we just can't get off the boat, off the tender, to have a look at it. Just working our way up from Lonnoc Bay up to Port Olry. The swells are picked up, it's got sloppy and windy. So we've just gunned both engines and we're making the dash to get round Dolphin or Thion Island before the rain really gets us. There is an island out there, but it's gone in the rain. Oh, she's sloppy. Oh, I just missed it. Nearly got you slamming in. It's getting sloppy through here. We've got 120 metres of water below us. The swells are just hitting the shallow rocks, bouncing back. Yeah, so the wind's picked up 26 knots around this headland.
And watch this shoot up.
Oh, that's awesome. It's just one after the other. Be a little bit closer?
That's very close enough.
Yeah.
Yep. I just stopped it in time to restart it, so.
Right now. Oh.
Yep.
Well, the weather's not good. It's bucketing with rain. There's 3 boats already in at this anchorage, so we're going to go to the inner anchorage, a little bit more protection. See what's in there. Just sit out this rain, I think. Oh, look how nice that anchorage is. It's a beautiful white beach.
Got a 40, the other guy's only got a 30. The big winders.
Dry feet. Oh, well, you're going a bit fast with bare feet, jeez. Is this someone's property or? Yeah, it's a bit flash, isn't it? I think this is the electricity plant for here, big diesel generator.
Ooh, the light pole.
Man.
The weekend got all the ice creams.
What, there's no ice creams?
Just the butchers. The dogs know where the butchers is. Look at him all. Oh, he's got a broken leg. Oh, he's got a broken leg, that poor thing. think there's a lot there. Hello.
That guys.
There's bananas.
Green banana.
Yeah, there's really ones over here.
So what we've noticed is the Saint Anne Skull. We understand it, but Bislama is not quite natural.
Oh, look at the bread. That looks really good. Yeah. We can munch on it as we're walking. The drone went to take off and it's gone straight down into the water. Didn't even get off the roof.
That one is done. Taken off on the roof in complete clear space.
Yeah.
Hasn't hit a rope, hasn't hit anything.
So something went haywire.
Quite deep.
It's gone straight down there. Can you see it?
Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know. Broken. It's broken. Get the battery off it anyway because I watch the battery. It's gone. Lucky it's insured.
That's it. Now we've got to work out what happened. It's there. Something's...
Very sad. There's no reason why that ditched and crashed. We can't even work out what it clipped. But it's gone, and we're in a beautiful drone shot. We waited for blue skies, and now we've lost everything.
You guys know
I know, alright.
everyone else out.
Oh. Yeah. I went on a more bush track over the side of the hill.
Go.
Inviting. It goes down here.
No, I can see in the photo it's brown. Oh.
Hey, Brad,
Come on, Joe, you got to get in.
you can sit on.
See what's there.
You got to get in.
Will you get in?
I am. Brenda's motivating me. I saw how she got in, and she disappears when she goes under. Alright. Well, I got it for you in case you wanted to go down duck dive. Okay, I've set a little drone. Okay, we're going to go for a snorkel on a shipwreck just on the point over here in the coral, so get ourselves organised and jump over and have a look. Tide's running out. There's a bloody big wave behind you. Jesus! Now! I'll go back. Yeah. Go around. Yeah. Drop off right there. It's all sand here, but there was reef just back when we got in. Right, you want a freshwater rinse now? Clearer here. Much clearer.
Yeah, there's a bit of coral there. Watch out, it's a bit there.
Yeah, I know the shallow bit now.
Yeah. It's just too surgy.